Welcome to part 3 of me opening a Cycle Drive, Boost Box, and Hell Blizzard. So without further ado, we will start with the Mewtwo pack first in this part. Hope I got something great here. Although I've already pulled the secret rare. So we have this. So nothing in this pack. Oh yeah, Starmie. I love this. And a trainer. So let's see what we got here. Oh, a Lucario holo. That's very nice artwork. Awesome. So in this pack, we got nothing. Just show you the routes, Beartic, and some. I still can recognize some of the Pokemon. Not some, but most of the Pokemon. Wow, this holo's so funny. This is so furious, angry, and this one is so how. Yeah, I got you. This is so nice. So cute. So let's get a Mewtwo pack here. Hope I can get a Mewtwo EX. Really hope I do. But looks like I don't have any luck. Pinsir and a Shiftry. Awesome. I don't have this card. Definitely. So here's the moment that I got another EX, and this time it's a Regigigas. This is so awesome. This is my first EX in the Hell Blizzard one. So I'm definitely not going to get a secret rare. This is so nice. 3 EX in one box. Let me get a sleeve. And put this in a top loader. Very nice pull. Continuing the Hell Blizzard. It will be insane if I got a secret rare in the Hell Blizzard box. Because I've already got 3 EX and I doubt I will get another EX. But I'm still gonna open. Bronzor, some alien thing. I don't like this Pokemon. A deer thing, and an Unfastened maybe. So Riolu, nothing. Wigglytuff or Igglybuff, I forgot, Raichu. So 5 packs left in the Hell Blizzard. Wish me luck. Really want a secret rare. Wow, Zapdos. This is so awesome pull. Can you see the artwork? This is so nice. 4 packs left. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. about getting some good cards. This Pikachu, nice. So nothing to this. Sneasel, not very good pulls, and a Bronzong. Bronzong. It's different from Bronzor. So, Gardevoir Hollow. This is so nice. Can you see the artwork? Awesome. So 2 packs left for Helpless. Nope, not the secret rare in sight. Last pack, guys. This is the moment of truth, whether I could get a secret or ultra or not an ultra rare. So let me see first if there's a hollow. If there's a hollow, then I don't have luck in this. So no, not a secret rare here. Oh, a Hippopotamus and Hippowdon in the same pack. That's really funny. So thanks for watching, guys. In the Helpless Blizzard box, I don't get a secret rare or ultra rare, but in the Psycho Drive pack box, I got a really nice Kyogre secret rare. So thanks for watching, guys. It's the end of the booster box opening, and I will see you guys really soon when there's something released in the near future. So see you guys later.